In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your notifications with Google. It's a straightforward process, but ensuring you have control over what notifications you receive can make a big difference in staying organized and minimizing distractions. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google and navigate to a website called Temu. Once you're there, logging in is crucial if you haven't yet. Your login is your gateway to access and personalize your settings on the platform. So whether you use your email or another method, make sure you're successfully signed in before proceeding. Once you're on the Temu homepage and logged into your account, look for your profile icon. It's usually at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will help you find a menu that houses all your account settings. We're interested in the notifications section for this tutorial. Finding and clicking on the Notifications tab will bring you to a page dedicated to managing all alerts associated with your profile. Now, this is the part where you can truly customize your experience. By clicking Edit, you can dive into the specifics of which notifications are beneficial for you and which ones may not be. For example, do you want to receive updates on new features, or do sales notifications help you save money? As you scroll down through your notification settings, you can switch off the ones you find unnecessary. It's as simple as toggling a switch to off for each unwanted notification. This way, you ensure that your alert settings align precisely with your preferences. Personalizing your notifications allows you to prioritize what matters and cut through the noise. You might find that turning off certain notifications makes your daily digital interactions much less cluttered and stressful. Plus, it might even help improve your concentration throughout the day. Remember, this is about making technology work for you, not the other way around. Once you've gone through and adjusted these settings to your liking, there's actually nothing else you need to do. Your preferences save automatically most of the time. With this, you're essentially done managing your notifications. It's always great to review these settings every so often as your needs and interests evolve over time. This way, you remain in control of what alerts reach you, ensuring a tailored experience that's helpful and convenient. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to help you optimize your tech experience. Until next time, take care and enjoy a more peaceful digital environment.